First thing you need to do is install your sensors. The sensors should be hard mounted using the brackets that came with the kit or installed on tripods such that they will not easily move. You should try your best to mount them in a square pattern as shown. As you mount each sensor, we suggest that you create a simple sketch of your area and write down the MAC address of each sensor, as you will need this later. Each sensor will need to be connected to a PoE switch that is 802.3AF compliant and can supply at least 10 watts of power per port. Each sensor should be connected to the switch using an Ethernet cable that is at least Cat5e or higher. You will now need to install the timing cables. Choose a sensor in your layout to be the master timing source sensor. In this example, we will use sensor 11A7. Connect a shielded Cat5e or higher Ethernet cable into any of the 6 timing ports on the master timing source sensor and connect the other end into the upper right timing port of the nearest sensor. Now install another shielded timing cable into any of the 5 ports on this sensor and connect it into the upper right port of the next sensor. Repeat this process for the last sensor, remembering that the timing cable must always enter the upper right port of the next sensor downstream. Once you have finished installing all your cables, you will want to orient the sensors towards the center of the space so they can utilize their antenna pattern. You also want to make sure that your sensors have roughly 30 degrees of downward pitch and that they are all level.